Can you find your CVV number online? In this video, I'm going to show you whether you can get your card verification value number online. First things first, what you need to know is that you cannot find your CVV number online. The CVV is a security feature on credit and debit cards, typically found as a 3-digit number on the back of most cards. This number is designed to help prevent fraud by confirming that the person making an online transaction has the physical card in their possession. Now, if you're looking for your CVV number and can't find it, here are some important points to consider. Where you can find your CVV on the back of your card. For most cards like Visa or MasterCard, the CVV is a 3-digit number located at the back of your card near the signature strip. Now, for American Express cards, the CVV is a 4-digit number located on the front above the card number. You can also find your CVV on bank statements or online accounts. If your CVV is not visible on the bank statements or within online banking portals for security reasons, this information is never shown online. If you are in an online account with a payment provider, you may need to re-enter the CVV each time you make a purchase, but it won't be saved or displayed. And that's it. That's how you simply find your CVV number. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.